Students about race and racism is at the center of debate around the country.
And Missouri lawmakers say there will be more hearings in Jefferson City about critical race theory. CRT is an academic concept that's more than 40 years old. The core idea, race, is a social construct and it's embedded in legal systems and policies. Earlier this week, critics testified before a Missouri House committee saying why they don't think it should be taught in schools. This comes after tensions boiled over in the Rockwood School District back in May over the district's racial equity lessons. Today, a Washington University professor of law tells News 4 critical race theory is a vital part of education.
This understanding that racism can be structural and systemic helps us understand why sometimes individual good-hearted white people are not able to overcome racism.
Dr. Adrian Davis goes on to explain one example of this were laws banning whites from marrying blacks, like the case of the Lovings in the 60s, which went all the way to the Supreme Court.
When we have laws through the 1960s that ban white people from marrying non-white people, that's not a matter of an individual white person being a racist. That's a matter of an individual white person not being able to marry the person that they love because the law criminalizes it and tells them that they can't do it.
Dr. Davis goes on to say the racial reckoning after George Floyd's murder in Minneapolis is partly what sparked this fierce debate over discussing race in schools. Something